Now, Kayl gets surprised really easily, so tonight's going to be pretty interesting, but she doesn't know I'm hiding around the corner. Watch this. Surprise!
Ken!
See? Tonight should be good. Today is Kayl's birthday. We actually have a lot planned to do for her today. She doesn't know this yet, but we're going to surprise her. I'm going to take her out for dinner, and all of her friends are going to be there. And then we're headed out to something called the Fear Farm. Now, anybody that knows Kayl knows that she scares very easily, so this should be a pretty entertaining night. Now, the other thing is that we're also getting ready to leave for Nashville for the Sinosport World Games. And we're going to be vlogging all of that, but it's going to be a really busy day, and I'm running out of time. I've got to get back home and pick up Kayl and then take her to the restaurant. First things first, I've got to get the trailer loaded, and we've got to get it home so we can get it packed. Well, that took me a little bit longer than expected, but I have about 30 minutes to get home, get cleaned up, get changed, and get ready to go out to the surprise dinner, and then off to the Fear Farm. So away we go.
Good luck getting your hat on.
So we just got to Fear Farm, and apparently it's sold out. Like, they can't take any more people in the Fear Farm.
Good on you guys, man. Obviously, it's an awesome show.
Fear Farm is oversold. They're totally closed down. We've got to find another place to get to for Kayl's birthday. So we are headed to Screampark at Binghamton's. We'll see, maybe, hopefully it's not that busy, but we're hoping to get in before they oversell as well. It's a busy weekend though, I get it. It's close to Halloween. But we're looking forward to scaring the crap out of Kayl and Angela and me. Who knows?
It better be scary.
That's the charm right there. Thanks.
So when you're in the freaking forest, if you get scared, do not leave the path. Stay on the path, they're clearly marked. I don't want to come find you 2 weeks later. Alright? So you're going to go out here, turn left down the hill.
Thank you.
You're welcome, have fun.
Thank you.
Come on, go. Let's put a smile on your face tonight. Right through here.
Well, that was a pretty scary fear.
You know who is the most scared?
Kayl.
This guy right here.
No, it was
This guy.
definitely Ken.
Was it me?
Yes.
I don't know. I don't remember being scared, but apparently it
Ken had a quest
happened.
to make you scared the entire time.
I know, I failed. My mission did not get accomplished.
But it was fun.
The night is still young. There are still...
Absolutely.
Ah!
There's still lots of. Is that your scare thing? Jeez. It's not working.
Not even something small. I
No.
didn't
That
get
one earlier
anything
though
from
was
that.
hilarious.
No. But we had fun. Well, I hope you found this episode entertaining. Happy birthday, Kayl.
Thank you, sweetie.
If this is your first time with us, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We publish new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday to help you do something awesome with your dog. On that note, I'm Ken. This is the birthday girl, Kayl. Happy training.